All right, folks, buckle up. Today's video is pure chaos. We've got a defendant who doesn't just take his jail sentence badly. He absolutely melts down in court. And just when you think it can't get worse, he makes the ultimate mistake and ends up eating a body slam that sends him straight into next week. Things go from bad to disastrous in record time. Let's dive in.
Serious Defiant Defendant. 2 will be 716 3361.
Michael Carmen, 3734 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
That area is
What, are you bringing your kid to court because you know you're going to go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing any.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen, you better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, and then we'll call the case. What I'm going to do, I'm not quite sure, but I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody to get the child. I'll call the case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're going to have a big problem with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Bringing your kid to a sentencing hearing? Probably not the brightest idea. Some judges might see it as a touching moment of family support, but others see right through it. To them, it looks less like parenting and more like a strategy, a way to pull at the court's emotions and angle for a lighter sentence. And trust me, judges don't usually appreciate being played.
Tyarius Travante Bryant. 2-4, please, 716-3361. Are you guys hearing this case, victims? No.
They're not.
All right, Mr. Carmen, your name?
Michael Carmen, 373824 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Bryant, come on to the podium, state your name. According to you, I want to ask again. Let's just double check it, Mr. Timberly Dennis, Durley, Margarita Bruno Hayward, Joseph Matthew. Are any of those individuals, bring Mr. Mohammed? Yes. Any of those individuals in here today? All right, it does not appear as though they're on Zoom. They did not step forward on the case when called. Mr. Carmen, why don't you and your client approach the podium, please, and then tell me whether or not there's any material additions, corrections, or deletions.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340 a week. He'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. Your Honor, he's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next Monday.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people.
You wrote down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware, this is the B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. But less than 200, I'm sorry. He pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed. He pled. Please just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
Yeah, and Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Tyarius Travante Bryant. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's a 1 year. So I just want you to be aware I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution. And none of them show, so I'm not gonna order any restitution out of this thing.
And Judge, may I ask, does the court send notices to them or?
Yeah, we did send those.
Okay.
The probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So,
Okay,
I understand, Judge. Thank you.
all right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, since, my client, shares, the care and custody of two young children, with his girlfriend that he lives with. If he's gotta go to jail, it's gonna be very hard.
I get it. Jail time is tough on a family. But let's flip the perspective for a second. Imagine the family whose car got broken into, whose sense of security was ripped away. That damage is real too. And here's the bottom line. Every family struggles when a father goes to jail. That's exactly why responsible fathers put their kids first. Irresponsible ones? They put crime first, breaking into cars and stealing instead of protecting what matters.
Think about these things before we go out and steal. I mean, seriously,
I understand, Judge.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you could sit and give me lip service, but you had a RNC motor vehicle in 2021, you had a domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud in 23. We're just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. We have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, I'm sorry, bound over from here, stealing or retaining without consent a financial transaction device. If that's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and, there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
But I'm just informing the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. A bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate. Retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. Go up on any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out, Your Honor, and
Lisa, can you run his lane again for me, please? This lane
Sure.
is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact.
yes, Your
What
Honor.
do you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedule.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, have you?
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of a
All
number.
right, I'm gonna just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision though. But to go out and support a family by feeding all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report on March 25th. I'm just telling you that they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through the postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working,
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
and I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that. I've been working since January 2024.
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
I'm just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but probation reported open warrants issued the 37th District Court, 16th, the 28th, the 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on this lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good. All right, well, anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No.
Where's the child now?
She's going around.
I'm sorry,
She's going around.
was your the mother of the child here?
No, she wasn't here. Someone else came and picked her up.
It's supposed to mean like you become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 7 1/4, and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 20.
And that wraps up part 1. 365 days behind bars, with 40 to serve and 325 suspended. Honestly, considering his criminal record, that's a pretty fair outcome. But he doesn't see it like that. In fact, he's about to throw gasoline on the fire and make his situation so much worse than it already is.
716-3361. Mr. Bryant, you need.
Right here is Brian.
Listen. I'm not going to put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore. If I have to call you out here again, I'm going to give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave you. 30. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm going to have you out because I would hear you again. And then I'm going to lock you up for 30 days. And we're going to do this all day long. You're not going to make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you,
How is it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court.
Knock it off.
All right, now his outrage makes a little more sense. Here's the breakdown. District court sits lower on the judicial ladder than circuit court. So in his head, the logic was simple. If I pled to a felony in circuit court and only got probation, there's no way I'm getting locked up on a misdemeanor in district court. But here's the thing. Assumptions in court have a nasty way of backfiring. And in his case, that lesson came with a body slam.
All that. You have 5 or 6 felony, you have 5 or 6 theft offenses, you're breaking into people's cars. Just think you can make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt of court, bring him up.
No, bro.
You're gonna send another.
You're gonna get I got people saying, you know, I don't care. You know, ain't that the room kill up. People stop for kill me. Be over. Run over flat. Flat, run this shit off. At all. At all. So I got surgery on Monday night. You got fuck on my system. Oh my man. Stop. Go away. Fuck off me, bro.
All right, Mr. Klein, settle down.
You off, man.
Go down.
No, you're gonna get taken, bro. Taste me, Jimmy. Taste me.
We don't want it. We don't.
Taste me. Stop resisting. Like I got kids that I gotta raise my life. You ain't making it ain't dying. You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I gotta prove that I'm gonna see what you're doing. I gotta prove it making it worse.
Knock it off.
Hey, listen to me. Look at this. You're making it twice as bad.
Mr. Bryant, go back in the back. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except for the initial jail term. One more word, and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself. Stop.
I've got to say, I really like this judge. Strict, fair, no frills, and absolutely no nonsense. Plus, as a sarcastic 9-year-old trapped in an adult's body, I can't help but love the sly little zingers he slips in along the way. It's discipline with just the right dash of snark.
Ready? Yeah, okay, bro. Go left side, the other side. It's real good fathers out here, in real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason, bro. I never understood that, bro. But a woman could do anything, bro. Don't let her go. She be good. A woman be good, bro. A woman be good, bro.
Normally, this would be the point where everything winds down, but not this time. Even after the judge essentially gave him a pass on the contempt, he just couldn't resist running his mouth on the way out. And that little slip turned his walk of shame to jail into something much worse. Well, if he keeps that attitude, those 40 days behind bars are going to feel like a lifetime. And that's a wrap on today's video. I just want to take a second to say thank you. Seriously, I appreciate every one of you who's been tuning in over the years. It means more than you know. And yeah, I kind of love you guys for it. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit like. If not, hit dislike, it's all good. But make sure to drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you never miss what's coming next.